How to see unlisted videos on YouTube. So today I'm gonna show you the quick and easy way to see those unlisted videos on YouTube. For that, you have to make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open YouTube app on your device, then log into your YouTube account. Once done, select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and on this section, you need to simply select your videos where you can see all your list of videos which might be uploaded or which are unlisted videos on YouTube. So those video which has paperclip like icon are the unlisted videos. So when you tap on the three dots here, you can easily share this video if you wish to, or you can also edit and many more. So let's open this video. Just select the three dots and go to edit. When you select this edit video portion, you will see visibility which is selected as unlisted when you open it. So as you can see, anyone with the link can view it. So if you share this video to anyone and if someone has got the link of this video, then they can view it. So even it is private. So in this way, we can easily see the unlisted videos on YouTube. If you wish to change the visibility, you can change to public or private also later, and you can easily save and upload on YouTube. So that's how we see unlisted videos on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.